Hello, this is Jim Smith at Gann Analysis, LLC. Today I'm talking about gold. You've seen this chart before. I've been showing it for the last couple of years on Twitter and YouTube. My clients have seen it all the way back here. So everywhere you see a circle, you're getting a hit on the square. And actually, we should be updating this to show another hit right here. You can see here that from the month of January, you completed this square in time, and guess what? It started to move up. We pulled back a little bit, but we're finding support on this green 2x1 line. We're finding resistance on the red 1x1 line, but we're getting ready for something to happen. I think an event is about to happen. So watch this space. Gold is kind of interesting. One of the concepts is the major divisions of the square would be the 50% division in time and price, and sure enough, it gave you a low. The other major division would be the completion of the square, and that's when gold took off in January. Now, if you're wondering how this is constructed, I don't know, maybe you didn't see my first posting a couple years ago. The way this works is price unit refers to the scale of the red line drawn down from high. This line is using a scale of 10 points per month, so it moves down. That's the rate of change for this line here. And when it gets all the way down here to the level of the prior swing low, that means you've completed the square in time. So all the other lines, the green 1x2 line is half that slope, so instead of 10 points per month, it would be 5 points per month. And this one would be twice the slope. We call that a 2x1, and that would be 20 points per month. So you can see this 2x1 gave resistance here and a top, and then you sold off. And, you know, this intersection of the two red lines gives you the exact center in both time and price. And you can see it had trouble getting above it, and then it sold off into the midpoint in time before it started to move up. Found support on this green 2x1 line, and then we drifted sideways into the completion of the square in time before we started to rally. So what you really want, you want it to go above this red 1x1 line. So the swing high this month so far is 1878 for the month of June. We want to get above that. But it's kind of interesting. This is something that you don't rely on just this one chart. The square of the range is very useful. It's nice on a long-term basis to look at this from time to time. But you do want to look at a whole lot of other charts, the square of 9 chart, divisions of the range, both 1/3, 1/8, and a whole lot of cycles that are coming due. And you know, that's what you get if you subscribe to the service. If you're interested in gold, normally I do 20, 30, 40 charts in any one report. So you're not just getting this one chart. If you subscribe, you're getting a lot of information on where gold is, daily, weekly, monthly time frame. It gives you an exact levels to watch so that you can be ready to pull the trigger when the time is right. So if that interests you, I want to give you an incentive. Today is the 144th birthday of W.D. Gann. He was born on June 6th, 1878, and today is that 144th birthday. So guess what? We're offering, in celebration of that, we're offering a special discount for new subscribers. If you subscribe for 3 months, you'll get a discount on the normal rate. You want to know what that is? Send me an email, ask for the coupon, and I'll send it to you, and then you can subscribe at a decent discount. And we're only doing that today because we want you to pull the trigger and get started on our service. So try it for 3 months and see how you like it. If you don't like it after 3 months, you don't have to continue. But we're thinking you will. So we want you to try it out. And there's no time like the present because we have completed the square in time as of January. We had the rally, pulled back. I think we're getting ready for something special. If you want to see that full report on gold, now's the time to subscribe. Also, if you want to see other markets like the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow, Indian market, BSE 30 index, Sensex, the Nikkei, Japanese Nikkei. We do any market that you could possibly imagine. If you become a client and you say, well, I want you to cover this market, we'll cover it for you. So we do Forex, we do bonds, stocks, commodities, and crypto. And, if you become a subscriber and you say, well, you haven't covered the DAX lately, I'll do it. Just give me a day or two and I'll turn it around and you'll have it. So that's the way it works. And there's no time like the present because today is Gann's 144th birthday. We're hoping you'll pull the trigger and take advantage of this special offer to get the service a little bit cheaper in celebration of Gann's 144th birthday. So thanks for your time. I hope you enjoyed this chart, and I hope you will send me that email, at least find out with the coupon, and see if it works for you.